Hi, my name is Autumn, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do the reverse around the world today. The first prerequisite that you would want to know is going to be the backwards figure 8. We're going to take our backwards figure 8 and we're going to guide it behind our head. Whenever you get here, you want your hand to almost twist going up here, and you're going to be grabbing it from the top, and you're not pulling really or guiding it, you're just kind of holding onto it while it goes over your head. And then whenever you get over here, you're going to go into your forward figure 8, and from your forward figure 8, you're going to drag it with your index finger to go back across to the front. And then that's whenever you go back into a forward figure 8. Something that can help you drill this and get this trick down is going to be your shoulder roll. So starting in your backwards figure 8 and kind of doing your shoulder roll will help you get down the trick of it going behind your head. And then once you are comfortable doing that, you can just not let go of your star and just hold on to your star while it's going behind your head. And then you come out with it in your forward figure 8. So that's how you do the reverse around the world. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and come back for some more tutorials.